What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some unboxing and comparison. As you guys can tell by the title, compare the OG Regamasters versus the new Regamasters re-released, remade, whatever by ICB. And they actually arrived. I want to open these, but my brother said to wait until he gets home so we could get a real reaction on the wheels. So, yep, this is how they arrived. New Regamasters. He did end up getting 16 by 8, 35, 4 by 100 of course. I don't know what color that is. I believe he got like silver, so I mean SIL silver. These are the new Regas. I've seen these in person before they released it. They had a demo of it a while back at the Chronicles meet, and Matt was there and I took a look at it. I do know the faces, they look similar, but they're not similar. The OG ones, they're a lot more flat compared to these ones. And I really want to open it right now, but waiting on my brother to come home, so I guess we could unbox it together, or he could unbox it since it is his wheels that he bought. And before my brother comes home and we unbox these, I do know I personally don't like the new ones. I like the OG Regamasters, so we're talking about the ones that are currently on this car. But we never seen like a real set or had a real set in front of us and never, didn't really compare it. I might change my mind, but so far when I saw the pre-release ones or the demo ones, I like the OGs a lot more. They just don't look as good as the OG ones. I don't even know how many times I said OG, but they don't look the same as these. You guys can see that I masked off his hood because we're gonna be painting the underside of his hood. The underside of his hood is very faded and it doesn't even like match the bait or nothing. It kind of bugs me, so I told him, dude, let's paint your underside of your hood. So he had to take off all his stickers, and we should have a video on that. And my brother, or my cousin, picked up a Grom too, so now there's 2 Groms in the garage. I'm not even like excited to see these wheels. It's just because I know it's just gonna be a 5-star regular wheel. Well, the thing is, yeah. Well, we'll see that. Okay, how am I gonna do this? How many months you wait for these? They were on pre-order January. So like 9 months roughly. Almost no, 8 months. 5 months? 5 months? What do you mean? I paid on February. 5 months? Dude, that's August. That's August? What's this? Justice? With an ICB sticker. I don't know. What is this? I don't know. There's something in there, please. It might be the stickers. Can't be. It might be the stickers. I bet. You know I'm gonna sell these stickers. I'm not gonna run it. I'm just gonna sell these stickers for 100. Dude, they're 150 bucks just for the stickers. So you might just use them. I don't want to put it on there. I like it without stickers. Oh, look at that. What? These are a lot heavier too. They're by 8, and they're actually. I know the 7s are heavier still. I asked Matt.
16, 8, 35. Oh, what? Yeah, I don't even know who I want to bring to mount my tire. Okay, well, first of all, I like the gloss silver. Very nice.
Yeah, the faces bow out more.
If you look at the white ones,
yeah, the faces, they bow out way more.
And so then we have
they have these lines all around now.
You also notice
the valve stems is different, or it's not as sharp as the OG Regas. So they kind of have a little dip in them. Deeper compared to these. See how they're a lot sharper? These ones. Yeah. Wait, same position? I mean... Alright, now look. Well, wow. It's not bad. I like them. Not gonna lie, the new ones look fatter. Yeah, they are just fatter. The spokes look fatter. A little bit. We can measure it. Nah, who cares about measuring? You already... Well, fatter. Yeah, the spokes are a lot fatter. You can see how these are. It's more. That's probably why I love it.
Well,
and then the faces on these ones, you guys can't really see it, but it's kind of a bad. But this one, they go out a lot. They made that, or they designed the face like that to clear bigger calipers.
oh,
But these are the 35, so regardless, these will clear spoon calipers or bigger calipers.
and then these are Japan, and that one's Russia. That's a big difference.
Let's see. I mean, the hub zero. I mean, because it's
Yeah,
8.
hub by 8. The inside looks pretty cool. Watch. I don't know, but this looks, I haven't seen that before.
Looks very odd. The only thing I don't understand is, I know they have these stickers here. Compared to the OGs, they have stamps either on the inner lip
Oh yeah.
or the what's it called? The center hub.
They only have
or whatever.
They only have a sticker.
I don't even know why. They should have like kind of engraved it in here just in case the sticker gets messed up, because this sticker is literally just like a piece of paper compared to this one.
Well, that ceramic coat is not gonna stick anyways.
Yeah.
I noticed this is more. There's no clear coat on this.
Well, they don't really do that for the inner wheels.
This means it's really dirty.
They should have engraved like 16 by 8, 30 or something in here.
Yeah, cause like
imagine the sticker gets messed up, because like
it will get messed up.
yeah, it's not.
So how can you identify if it's a A35 offset if you don't have any?
Let's see. Wait, hold on. Is it in here? There's rotate it. Where's the engravings? There's like engravings on the inner. Oh, right here. Oh my god! So
What
it
does
is.
it say?
Wait, hold on. Roll it over. So it is engraved, but it's so faint.
Oh, you can't see it.
Oh my god.
You could barely see it. There it is, 16.8. Japan and some numbers.
Should at least. I feel like they should have engraved a little bit deeper, but
And then
it's
also,
not even even.
also these ribs right here, it's for the tire, so
Yeah.
that it won't.
Yeah, so they won't shift.
Yeah, something like that.
That's a cool thing.
I should test fit them, see how they look.
I mean, they're pretty much just don't look like this, but they're silver.
Wait, hold on.
The faces are a lot different though. You can tell with both of them side by side. Like the OG Regas, they look a little bit more sharp on the
This one's more
spokes, and
like
up here. On this one looks a little bit more chunkier.
chunkier.
Yeah. I mean, you have two. Yeah, I mean, you have both of the versions you can get. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Okay,
Well, I can't really say I like it. It needs to be half a tire and on the car. That's how I can tell.
So what, you're gonna dismount it tomorrow?
I got to put the tires on first and then see how it looks with the tire, because can't really envision it.
Yeah.
Unless I do it like this or something.
Dude, I mean, your cars aren't like the same. You're just gonna be on 8s.
I know, it's
and
just
they're
gonna be on
silver.
silver.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I like that. I like that Bordeaux on the stick. Well, it is by 8. If this is,
You know, that's a selling point. Nowadays, a lot of people want 8s, like 16 by 8s or 15 by 8s. So that's the selling point on these Regamasters, I believe. Because a lot of people want the 8s. Yeah, because now, like before, back in the day, like 2000s and stuff, everyone just wants like 6.5s and 7s. Which these OG ones are 16 by 7. But I think as of this year and like the last year, a lot of people want wider wheels on like Hondas and stuff. So them making the 8s is a giant selling point.
Yeah.
But
That's what got me. That's what.
yep, that's what sold it to you, huh?
Yeah.
If you're finally gonna get the 8s. Drop your comments down below which one you guys think is better. I mean, most people probably don't. Or yeah, which one you guys like more. For me, I personally still like the OG ones, but my brother likes these ones. So it's all, you know, personal preference.
I think it looks
So
better with
they're-
the sticker now.
Yeah, they do look better with the sticker. It doesn't look too...
Like unknown.
Yeah, I don't know. I think
I
that
don't
the
know
stickers, they look
stickers.
fat. But I personally like the... actually, the re-release Regamasters, the 17s and up, those ones I actually like a lot more than the 16s. The 16s, they just... It feels like they... it's like everything's compressed or everything's a lot more fatter. Or I don't know how to explain it, but... That's exactly what it is. So I guess these are Mount Tower tomorrow. Like, or is it Mountain 2? Or are you gonna do all 4?
If I do just 2, that means I have to wait next week to do the other 2, if I want it or not.
I mean, I could do it for you next weekend or during the weekday I'm off. So if you want to get all 4 done. If you want to do 2, to see what it looks like. I mean, I know for a fact you're gonna keep the wheels. If you keep the new ones, I have a buyer for the white ones. Well, you already have a buyer for the white ones. I have a buyer for the white ones. If you keep the white ones, then I'll post these up for sale for you. But that's up to you.
And then I'm gonna get these to finish.
Yeah, I mean, you could. Or just keep, I don't know. Or just keep both of them, dude.
That's a good option, huh? Keep both.
Yeah, you know. You just have to buy another set of tires.
I want to get the 616 RTs. Wait, no. 660s, I think they're called.
Oh, and also since these are 8s, this tire is going to be slightly stretched a little bit.
Yeah, like the Advan Advan DGs or the bronze ones.
Oh, yeah, the RGD.
Those were the 16.8, 38.
Yeah. I don't know. So this, I guess, was a unboxing video of the new Regas. It was a quick comparison. I mean, looking at both of them side by side, you can definitely tell is different. Is not the same.
Well, that is a by 8, so that's why it's more.
I mean, look, the spoke is so much fatter. You can already look at it like.
Yeah, you're right.
I think that's the only like.
They look like 15s actually.
Yeah, they look like a chunky 15-inch wheel.
Chunky 15s fighting.
Yeah, and then these they dips down more, so you have on this one you have a fatter like a inner lip. No, this one is it's just like it has that sharp point to them. And I like how the OG ones they just go around it. And these ones they did put a little notch
design or
maybe
the Valson's bigger.
No, what the hell? All Valsons are the same. It's got some like M7s or something.
See, and they did say, you know why they put this line right here? Supposedly it's to make it lighter, but that's what I heard.
Okay, I do know. Okay, I remember asking Matt at Chronicles. The 16x7s weigh, I think, 13.5 pounds. No wait, 12.5 pounds, right? 12.8?
These are
the 16. No, we're comparing the 16x7s. These are 8s. It's different. I remember though. I remember talking with Matt. The OG 16x7s, all OG 16x7, 5-leg or 4-leg, they all weigh 12 pounds. The 16x7s that they re-release through the new Regamasters are heavier. So they're made heavier. On the 8s, I don't know because I never weighed an 8 like the OG 8, but judging by how this looks, I do feel like the new 8s are heavier than the OG 8s.
They are.
I forgot what the weight Matt told me on the 16x7s, but they were heavier because I remember talking to him at the booth and I was like, wait, what? They're heavier than the OG ones. The OG ones are 12 pounds and I think the new ones are 12.5 pounds or something. If you guys even care about wheel weight, but wheel weight does kind of matter. They're not a bad looking wheel, but personally the OG ones to me look better. But they're nice. I like the finish though. The silvers, everyone buys the gunmetal or the Almighties, right?
Yeah.
The white.
I haven't seen anybody that bought the 16.8 silvers.
Anyways, all right, cool. That's it for this video. Until tomorrow, until my brother mounts them, we'll put them on the car and see. I think. Oh, you're gonna have to put the valve stem on. I will do the valve stems yourself. No, don't let the shop do it. And then we're gonna put this plastic bag over this, pull the hood off tomorrow, so we can paint the underside of this hood the next day. But I just painted this hood this morning. It's super bright. I just used Rust-Oleum gloss white, like how we did Engine Bay. He got his tires mounted. Quick rattle can job. Letting it dry right now. Welcome back to the channel. It is the next day. My brother just went to get his wheels mounted, and if you guys saw, I painted that hood. I just used regular Rust-Oleum gloss white. The thing is, we don't have clear coat, so this is what I use. It's just the same as regular gloss white Rust-Oleum, same exact thing. I did like 3 coats, and wait, 2 coats, 2 light coats, and then 2 heavy coats, so 4 coats total. But here are the wheels that he swapped the tires on. And you can see that the faces, you know what, let me grab one of the OG Regas real quick, compare them. Oh damn, they're in the box. just put it back in, but wow, this thing's dirty. Alright, so you can see that wow, it's kind of hard to shoot white, but see the faces are a little bit flatter on these ones. They do kind of, you know, bow out, but if you look at these ones, they bow out a lot. You can kind of see looking up to that these kind of push out on the faces. But he's cleaning them up right now, getting all that, what is it, that tire lube off when they mount tires or wheels on, or when they mount the tires on the wheels. So he's cleaning that off, and since these are 8s, there is a slight stretch. It was like my C28s, not bad. Not sure how I feel about them still. I personally still don't like them. I don't like them. But my brother's gonna put it on his car, drop it down, and see how it looks. And I gotta move the groms out of the way. We went for a ride last night. So my brother's washing the wheels right now. And this right here, you could definitely tell that after a couple washes, it's gonna like rip off like a receipt. Like this is such, I don't know why they did this. They should have at least used like how they do rays or like this type of material. This is gonna like, oh shit, it already like rubbed off a little bit. Okay, don't, it's gonna rip off.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, damn it. What you think, dog? I don't like the Regas. They could have done a lot better. I mean, especially if you're paying so much for a wheel. At least have the inner barrel sticker stay intact. So I forgot to record a video of him putting it on the car, and this is what they look like on the car. I kind of wish he was a little bit lower, like a tiny bit lower. I think it'll make the wheels look a little bit better if he was a little bit lower all around. So let's see what happens when he gets his new coils. Well, that's what they look like. Well, but that is what they look like. He didn't end up using the spoke stickers. He just did, or not the spoke stickers, the lip stickers. He only used the spoke decal. I don't know, what do you guys think? Drop your comments down below what you guys think. And the white ones, they are sold already. We don't have them anymore. Oh, and the hood is painted now. As you guys can see, there's no clear coat, but it is glossy in the sun. It's just kind of, yep, that's it. But yeah, that's what the car looks like on the Regas. So I'm gonna upload this video right now. And if you guys want Grom content, let me know. I will start posting up Grom content. This is the same red Grom I used to have, or it's the same one I mean. But yeah, you guys want Grom content of me installing parts of people's Groms and doing all that stuff, let me know. And I do have stuff for my T-Sex. I might make a video of my daily. If you guys have been following my Instagram, I got new wheels for it. I got new coils for it. And yeah, I'll probably do a video on the T-Sex when I get my new Your R lip. I think I should be getting it sometime this week. So peace out, guys. Don't sell others, just keep building.